Mark here with Tamed Fire, and this is Fire Staff Lessons Part 9. This is a tiny Rick. He's adorable. I call these vertical arm rolls. It sets from the releasing hands trapezius and pivots from here to the spine and the opposite trapezius. From here, the points of contact in order go in front of the shoulder, down the rear of the bicep, and about halfway down the forearm rolls to the front of the forearm, touching the wrist and into the hand. The reverse fishtail. This move can be challenging to master, but is worth the reward. The secret to mastery is shown at the end of these clips. While we wait, let's talk about forward fishtails. Yes, the movement is possible, but let's talk business. Investment versus return on investment, also known as ROI. I can invest hours and hours mastering forward fishtails, which are far more challenging than reverse fishtails, or I can invest that time into other movements. Forward fishtails may get some respect from our peers in the community, but an audience isn't going to care much about which direction the fishtail is spinning. With performance as a focal point of my practice, I find some movements, such as the forward fishtail, provides less ROI than others. Here's that little secret I mentioned earlier to master fishtails. Just hold on to the staff with the other hand and go through the motions. The more you feel the movement, the less you will need to hold on to the staff. With a little practice, you'll be letting go in no time. Vertical fishtail stalls. Set from either hand's fishtail, bring the staff front side, and stall using the forearm and back of hand. I prefer the forefinger and middle finger. Any movement that transitions from itself into the same movement on the opposite side I call mirrored or continuous. Note that in order for two identical movements to fit this classification, there must be no in-between move. When we add an in-between move, it becomes a mirrored combo. I'll show you one later to challenge yourself with. Mirrored movements and mirrored combos are some of my favorite in performance and flow. Symmetrical displays are not only visually preferred by the majority of people, science has also taught us it smells better. You can find these symmetrical preference experiments within evolutionary psychology books and articles. I have found the horizontal is easier and can be stalled with either the forearm or upper underarm. Upper underarm, that's the thing, right? Reverse Fishtail 360s. Strong side and weak side spin simply refers to your own personal strong and weak side spins. My weak side is any spins to the right and strong to the left. I call hitting a movement executed on either side. I call sealing a movement when it is executed on both sides back to back, mirrored. Usually the more difficult a movement is, the more challenging it will be to seal it. No matter your skill level, challenge yourself with new movements and take them one step at a time. Here's that sealed mirrored combo I spoke of earlier. Nothing too special, but it's fun and it flows. The most difficult sections I have found are the starting points. Right after the butt thrust, the angle of the staff needs to be balanced going into the arm roll to the neck stall. From here, the next challenge starts with initiating the vertical spin, carrying it around in a 180 to the fishtail horizontal stall. The sets in this movement are everything, and if either are off, you'll find the horizontal back of the hand spin and fishtail to be the weak points. Don't go anywhere. We haven't even lit this thing on fire yet.